Hello YouTube, as you can see by the title of this video, I will be testing out some magnetic lashes. Now, if you're anything like me, you suck at putting on strip lashes. Like for some reason I can put on the little individual ones, but the strip ones, I suck. So, I know everyone has been seeing these magnetic eyelashes popping up on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever, wherever. I know people had tried it. It was different types of magnetic lashes. They have the one where you put it one lash here, one lash there on a little metal thing, and you gotta clip it on your eyelash. Like, just too much. So like, I never tried it. But recently,
thank you, Happy Helper.
Recently, I had the opportunity to try out the lashes on a friend, and I was amazed at how easy it was. Basically, if you can put on eyeliner, you can put on lashes. I am using this lash kit from Amazon, of course. The brand is HSBC Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash Kit. It says it's reusable, long-lasting, and easy to use. Oh shoot, I mean, hey. The kit looks like this. It comes with 5 pairs of lashes, 2 eyeliners, and an applicator. Alright, so basically, it's pretty simple. You just put the liner on and you pop the lash on. If I can do it, you can do it, because boy, if I tell you, if I tried to do it with some glue right now, you guys would be laughing at me. Alright, so which ones should I use? I think I'm going to use these last ones because, yeah, and you know what else I want to know? I want to know if we can double stack them. So yeah, let me try the last one. Okay, let me pull out the liner first. It's just a regular eyeliner. If you got, well, okay, let me say this. If you use liquid eyeliner, you pretty much can do this. Here we go. Oh, to make it easier, I like to pull my eye. I don't do it like that all the time, but I'm gonna just pull my eye. What is that? So I can get a good line. Let me turn this on so I can, there we go. Also have crazy eyelashes. Like, okay, so it's really, really liquidy. So please be careful. My eyelash is in my eye as we speak. Like, oh my lord. My natural eyelashes go up, down, around town, to the back, to the side. Like, my eyelashes just cannot be tamed. I meant to put on mascara before this, but that's okay. Alright, so I'm not gonna pull my eye anymore. I'm just gonna go like this. I gotta pull it a little bit. Oh! We're gonna fix that. We're gonna come back to that. Let's do the other eye. Really, does it even matter? With the lashes on, I'm gonna be able to see it. Okay, so in the directions, it also says let it dry completely. Now I notice all of them have different directions, because the one I tried on my friend, it said it's okay to use it if the eyeliner is still a little damp. Heck y'all, if y'all mess up your eyeliner, this is all you do. Sit it on there like that. Hello. And then let it sit. Let it sit. Let the eye, what am I saying? Let the concealer dry a little bit, and then we're gonna continue. Ignore that. All right, so now I'm just gonna take my finger for that mascara, and then I'm just gonna pat, pat, pat. All right, and it's all right. It's good enough. It's good enough. Alright, so I kind of drew my eyeliner on thick because I want to see if I can stack these lashes. You know how people be wearing the double stack lashes? I don't do that because I struggle with lashes, but I mean, I tried to put these lashes on top of each other, like just in here, and they stuck. So I want to see if it'll work on my eye. I'm like too excited. Like, and you just like, okay, wait a minute now. The eyeliner. My lashes are in the way, Lord. Hold up. I think I need to brush my eyelashes down because it's messing me up. If y'all, do y'all see like my eyelashes? I need like a curler or something. Like my eyelashes just do not like me. Try to put the middle. Well, the end snap right on. Okay. All right. So this thing, no, I need to use my hands because I have to maneuver it around my eyelashes. Okay. Like, I don't know, y'all. My eyelashes are like in the way. It's like it makes me want to cut them off. Okay. Well, I said I was gonna try to double stack them, so let me try to double stack them. It pinched me a little bit. Okay, so don't double stack them. It's pinching my skin. And it just took the entire lash off. Okay guys, that wasn't smart. But I had to try it. So, oh, why am I blowing that? I was blowing this. So yeah, I mean they're decent. Like I would wear them for sure. I think I probably just, like anything else, you gotta practice with them. It's not something that's gonna, I mean, they are definitely still easier than like the regular lashes. I'm gonna take some mascara and put some at the bottom of my lashes. Just to at least maybe help it blend a little bit. I don't know, y'all. Like strip lashes just really aren't for me. I think I just have to do individuals, but like I said, I do recommend still trying them. They're really not bad. I'm only struggling because of my personal issues with my lashes. They really do snap right on the liner though, no lie. They snap right on. So yeah, they definitely are worth the buy for sure. And I'm gonna give this another try. I'm gonna try to find my eyelash curler and see if I can curl my lashes. Well, not curl them, but uncurl them, because my lashes are just so curly. They also look kind of not natural, but natural. Like they're not overly dramatic, you know. I like them. They're cute. I just need to practice some more. I really like individuals, but I wash my face so much and I like to take my lashes off at night. So like that's why I wanted to try these, but I mean, I think I'm gonna use these. I'm really gonna use them, you know. Yeah. Let me try to convince myself. All in all, I really do like these lashes. I'm definitely gonna try them again. I'm just gonna have to try to figure out how to get my lashes out the way. Maybe put some mascara on it first to try to get them all even and straighten them out. But I definitely think you guys should try it, and I'm gonna put the link down in the description. I got them from Amazon. I believe it was definitely 20 something, which is worth it. It comes with 2 liners and 5 different lashes that you can reuse, so it's a good price. So I will put the description down below. And again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post the next video. Also, love you guys. Bye.